Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for hands-on, real-world product breakdowns. In today's review, we're talking about the best heavy-duty cast iron skillet on the market, the Lodge 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. Let's get right into it. This is more than just a pan, it's a workhorse. Whether you're a beginner just learning to sear your first steak or a seasoned home chef, this skillet is made to grow with you. Built by Lodge, a family-owned American brand since 1896, this 12-inch cast iron skillet has earned its reputation through time-tested performance and unbeatable durability. First thing to notice, versatility. The Lodge skillet isn't limited to one cooking surface. It works on gas stoves, electric coils, induction tops, inside the oven, right on your grill, or even over a campfire. That's right, from your kitchen to your campsite, this pan delivers consistent heat across the board. One reason people love cast iron is for its heat retention, and the Lodge skillet nails it. It heats slowly but holds that heat like a champ, giving you edge-to-edge even cooking. That makes it perfect for high-heat searing, baking, roasting, or shallow frying. Now let's talk about what makes this skillet different. It comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, no synthetic coatings or chemicals. That baked-in seasoning gives it a naturally non-stick finish that gets better every time you use it. It's almost like it evolves with you. The more you cook, the smoother and more responsive it becomes. They give you control when lifting or maneuvering the skillet, especially important when it's filled with something heavy. And because it's cast iron, yes, it is heavy, but that's what makes it tough and long-lasting. Now, some people worry when they see spots that look like rust. Don't panic. That's just oil that hasn't fully carbonized yet. Keep using the skillet and it'll darken naturally. A quick scrub with steel wool, rinse, dry, and rub with oil. You're back in business. This skillet isn't just about cooking, it's about tradition. Lodge cast iron has been made in the USA for over 125 years using quality materials and an eco-conscious mindset. And it's free from PFOA and PTFE, so you can feel confident about what you're cooking with. Bottom line, the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet is rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. Whether you're cooking eggs for breakfast or grilling steaks under the stars, it'll deliver every single time. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and drop a comment below letting us know what you'd cook first in your Lodge skillet. Until next time, keep cooking smart and stay sharp.